Hello, peoples of the internet. I call on your collective powers to help me in my moment of need in diagnosing this LG dryer. Hey folks, this is a lot of fun. You're going to love this one. So we got your basic LG dryer. Yeah, it's your super capacity, blah, 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 DLG2526W. Okay, if that means anything to you. Now here's the problem with it, all right? We turn it on, babinga. All right, there you go. Check the filter. We've checked the filter. The filter is clean. Then we go, we'll say normal. All right, normal, it sets it up, okay? And then we go to press the magic start button. Did you hear that? It was a little thunk. I'm going to do it again. You hear that little thunk? Like it's trying? Now watch this trick. Watch. Okay? I'm going to open the door. I'm going to reach inside, and I'm going to spin it. 1, 2, 3. Just like down at the boardwalk, the wheel. And I'm going to hit it. Whoop. Didn't work. I'm going to give it a spin. And I'm spinning it. And I'm spinning it. And I'm spinning it. Whoop. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Stay with me, folks. Stay with me. Stay with me, people. You with me? Are you with me? Stay with me. Are you with me? Don't let me go. Don't shut me off yet. There we go. There we go. Yes, I know it took 2 minutes. But yeah, before I was just spinning it and hitting the button and it would work, just like it just did. Okay, so then it turns on and it's working fine. So what is that, folks? What is that? Tell me in the comments. Help me out here. This is the LG. It is the DLG2526W. And when you give it a little help and you fire it up, it works. And there's that little thunk like it's trying. What do you think it is? Do you think it's the motor? Do you think it's the relay? You think it's the belt? You think it's rollers? Tell me in the comments. I thank you in advance. Have a great night, everybody.